Hi guys, welcome back my YouTube channel IconicIndra. Today I will show you the update of the CAMBLY app. So opening the CAMBLY app, you can see that the in the bottom of the mobile screen the symbol like book. Select that option. Here a lot of topics you can see and you can discuss with your English native tutor like fundamentals of English fluency. Here the basic conversation topics are available, so click on that option. Yes, basic conversation topic, gain confidence speaking about familiar topics. This course is free with your CAMBLY membership. You have to enroll to open these topics. You can see that it is the experience level of beginner, course length 10. Syllabus, there are a lot of syllabus you can choose that like that. Foods you love, whatever you foods you love are here. There are a lot of topics and articles related to food. Then back to the page. Here are a lot of syllabus like your job, playing and watching sports, the pet, the best pet, having fun in your free time, your daily routine. Like that you can see all of the syllabus. Go back to the page and scroll down and you can select the professional development. Select the business English. The English you need for your work and career. This course is free with your CAMBLY membership. You have to enroll to join this course. And it is the experience level of intermediate. If you are intermediate, so click on that course business English. Okay, so course length 10th, and there are a lot of syllabus available like phone conversation, how to make a phone call, like that you can see that, and meetings, negotiations, complaints and conflicts, job interviews, scheduling and time management, presentations, like that, work style, management and leadership, sales, etc. Okay, so you can select any of them syllabus and choose it and practice this with your native English tutor. So go back to the page, scroll down, and here it is the express yourself. Here explore a variety of timely topics while expanding on domain specific vocabulary like life in the internet age. Let's discuss how technology is changing the way we live. Select this. So as earlier you have to enroll to join this course, life in the internet age. Here it is the intermediate level and course length 9. There are a lot of syllabus are available like the internet, artificial intelligence, that is AI, social media, internet privacy, live streaming, coding, technology transforming healthcare. You can see that there are a lot of syllabus of internet and technology. Okay, so you can select any of them and discuss with your English tutor. So go back to the page and scroll down. Here it is another interesting topic, that is exam preparation. Prepare for an upcoming English speaking assessment with up-to-date practice questions from the past exams. Okay, so select that option. So here it is IELTS speaking part 1. You have to enroll to join the course like earlier, and it is a experience level of all. Maybe you are beginners or intermediate or more than intermediate. Okay, Course length is 8. Prerequisites: previous IELTS score band 5 or higher. If you previously scored lower than this, start with our basic conversation topics course. Okay, so there are a lot of syllabus available in this course, like holidays and vacations, art, education, news and media, nature and environment, friends, food and restaurant, technology. So you can choose any topic of the syllabus and discuss with your English tutor and improve your spoken English skill like a native English tutor. So go back to the page. So this is the total update of the CAMBLY. Hope you enjoy this video. So this is the wrap of my video. See you soon.